This is Astral tutorial number 6. In this video, I will show you how to sequence audio samples in Astral. Open the left sidebar of the mixer and click on the Add button. Choose the WAV file that you want to import. Here I have a kick sound that I want to add to the project. Input A is now added to our session, and I can use Group B's assigned input drop-down to connect input A to Group B, to bypass convolution, and have the group act as a simple sequencer. Click on the impulse toggle at the top right of the group's impulse response container. I can also bypass localization by clicking on the space impulse toggle to the right of the space mode drop-down, so that the kick will always be heard at the center of the stereo field. Let's now click on Group B's cloud icon to set the group's rhythm. In Astral, every filter group can have its own independent tempo and rhythm. In the first tutorial, I set the tempo for Group A to 140. I am going to use the same tempo for Group B. Next, I am going to change Group's amplitude probability function type to constant, so that the kick will always have the same loudness. I can now raise Group B's amplitude to be able to hear the kick in the mix.